Bird and Kip, Episode 6, The Car Ride. The car went up the track,
We're driving a car.
said Kip,
I don't think I like this.
said Bird. The car went higher. Then Bird smiled.
Wow. Look at the ocean, Kip.
Said Bird.
And look at those buildings.
But Kip was not looking. Kip was covering his eyes,
I don't think I like this.
he said. Now the car went down fast, said Bird.
Ah!
Cried Kip. The car made sharp turns. It went up and down and up and down. It went very fast,
This is fun.
said Bird.
This is not fun.
Cried Kip. Finally, the car stopped. Kip jumped out.
That was just like flying.
Said Bird.
I'm glad you had fun, Bird.
Said Kip.
But I'm never driving a car again. Now let's go home and fix your nest.